It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Check it out. I got my holiday cheer shirt on today. I got my Harry Potter glasses on too. We're gonna have a Friday night party. I got a lot to talk about. We're going to talk about Bath & Body Works aromatherapy. We are going to talk about the price of the Candle Day candles in the next video. I want to talk about Candle Day. And check it out. I went to Mally's today. If you are in Cleveland, you have to go to Mally's for the holidays. I bought like 4 bags of the holiday bells. Oh my gosh, they've got dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and raspberry. I cannot stop eating these. These gummies are awesome too. I went a little crazy at Mally's today. And I'm also going to, a little later, unbox my 12 Days of Beauty at Trader Joe's. We just got a lot of fun tonight. So I thought I'd have like, oops, everything's falling over. Little Friday night fun party. So we're going to start with aromatherapy. But on a serious note, oh my goodness, sending all my love and prayers to Tess, Life Inside the Page. She's dealing with a really serious medical problem with her sister. So I just want to let her know that I am thinking about her because she's such a wonderful part of the Bath & Body Works community. She's really dedicated and I love what she does. So check out Life Inside the Page. I have the link below. Give her some love and check out her blog. So I wanted to start off with that. Now, aromatherapy. It's called the All Wellness Body Care. They're calling aromatherapy the Wellness Collection now. I think because they're adding like the cocoa shea and all of that stuff in there. So we're going to talk about that. Oh, I got so much to talk about. I can't remember what I'm talking about. I also, oh my gosh, Lenny and I have been busy. I think he's going to try and come out, by the way, the week after Thanksgiving and do a couple videos with me, but I'm going to put a screenshot up. So many people have been asking me for just a Queen of the Girl Geeks branded tee. So I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. Lenny actually helped me with the design. It's very simple. Queen of the Girl Geeks with a little crown. So, we have many styles, many price points, and we have the tote bag and the hoodie of just the Queen of the Girl Geeks Bonleo t-shirts. So check out bonleo.com. Use the code QUEEN10, 10% off. But everybody's been asking for like multiple different colors. So I've got like green and pink and yellow and blue. Queen of the Girl Geek shirt. All different colors. So that's exciting. Okay, now I got to get back on track with aromatherapy. Like, I know I have so much to talk about tonight. So aromatherapy today is $5.50. Run, don't walk. If you want aromatherapy, don't wait for Black Friday. This is a much better deal today. Actually, the better deal was when these were $3.95 during the body care sale last Saturday. So I hope you stocked up then. If you missed it, I would, $5.50 is not bad. But again, much better deal last week. The good news is they're also including like the Cocoa Shea body oil, which is normally $20.95. That was not included in the sale last Saturday. That's $5.50. All of the oil mists and the scrubs. This is like a seriously good time to stock up on the scrubs. This is like, these are normally like $20, and the body butter. Scrubs, body butter, and the shower steamers. So I know a lot of people love those shower steamers. I don't mind them. I've used them, like orange ginger. So shower steamers. They've got Cocoa Shea Rich Moisture Body Butter. That's a good one. It's not the Cocoa Shea Honey, which I used to love, but it's not terrible. They also have, do they just have, the oatmeal. I would say the Colloidal Oatmeal collection. My daughter likes that. It's nice. I gotta say, it's nice. The sugar scrubs. Let's see. Oh, the water collection. It's funny. I used to love the water collection. The problem is, they changed the packaging, and it still smells the same to me. But I'm like, it's just kind of odd. In the packaging, I like the old water collection better. They had more products. They've got the sensitive skin colloidal oatmeal bubble bath 550 today. These are good Christmas gifts. The body and massage oil. You're going to find a lot of neat stuff in the wellness collection today. Chamomile patchouli. I gotta say, I love the new Northern Brights, which is eucalyptus pine. This is like a favorite of mine this year. I'll have to say, I love that pine note. My mother is a huge fan of the stress relief eucalyptus spearmint. This is a little too strong for me, but I think I might do a little shopping later and get her something. We have the mimosa spearmint in the shower steamers. We have the water ultra hydration body butter, which is $20.95, $5.50 today. Don't get the cleansing bars. Do not. Northern Brights eucalyptus pine. I want one. I would wait on those until like Black Friday. Better deal on those later. But there's 3 pages of aromatherapy. So I know a lot of people love the aromatherapy lines. Oh, the Luxe Bath, eucalyptus spearmint. I love the Luxe Bath. That's actually a really nice formula. More shower steamers. So I just wanted to come on first, vetiver vanilla, and just talk about the good news. Oh, it includes Moxie. I think Moxie's going away. I don't know. I heard that. I heard a rumor. I don't know if it's true or not. But the Moxie stuff. Oh, you know what else is on sale today? What is the nail polish? I actually got the nail polish. It was pretty good. I'm not wearing it today, by the way. Oh, the breathable nail polish. The nail polish is $5.50. That's actually not a terrible deal. I might have to go shopping. Let's see. I got the pink one. I think it was called Toulouse, maybe? All of the Moxie, hair products, hair mask, everything in the Moxie collection, the gummies, everything in the Moxie collection is $5.50. So, I don't know. I really never got on board with it, but if you like Moxie, you can really clean up today. I didn't know the nail polish was included. Wow. Okay, I'm out of the loop today. That's a lot going on that I had no idea about. So anyway, check out the Wellness Body Care, $5.50. You have to use the code WELLNESS online, and I think, did you have to use the code in the little barcode in the store? You probably, yeah. What's up with the thumbs up? You also get free shipping on 50 with the code wellness. So check it out. I'm assuming you have to have the little code. Anyway, tomorrow, by the way, we're supposed to have a huge, thumbs up, huge soap sale. Thumbs up. Huge soap sale this weekend. As soon as I figure out what's happening, we're going to talk about that soap sale and a lot more other stuff. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're shopping aromatherapy today, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.